Shepherd.
Hi, Professor. My name is Shelly. This is week 7 of a video assignment for dissecting a sheep brain. Today is December 16, 2018. So as you can see, this is the sheep brain. I'm going to tell you regarding the lobes and the functions for the sheep brain. So this one is the frontal lobe. So frontal lobe is in charge of problem solving, voluntary movement, speech, and reasoning. And parietal is this area right here. The parietal lobe is pain receptor, cognitive, depth perception, process of thinking and understanding. And over here, the optic occipital lobe is in charge of vision, color recognition. And the temporal lobe is in charge of hearing and speech memory. So as I turn the inferior view of the sheep brain, so we're going to identify regarding the anatomy. So this one right here is the olfactory bulb. It's a cranial nerve number 1. It's for a sense of smell. Okay, when you go down, this is the optic nerve. It's the cranial nerve number 2. It's for ability to see. As you can see, it got cut off a little bit when I was like cutting the layer of the brain. And when it falls down, go through, it's called the optic crescema. Okay, and then across to like an X, the optic tract. Okay, and it goes through the occipital lobe. And when you go down on this area, this is the pituitary gland, and you go mid of the brain, where the pons are at. So the pons are like right here. That's the assistant of a medulla. So the medulla oblongata is here, this layer right here. The medulla oblongata is control inventory action, heart rate, and the breathing. And when you go down here, this is the spinal cord, where the spinal cord go. Okay, and the latitude fistula is in the middle right here. Okay. So as you can see, for mid sagittal dissection, I dissected earlier to take pictures for the assignment. So you have to dissect very carefully of the sheep brain so you can see a good anatomy of the brain. Okay. So let me get a different tool so I can pinpoint to you the proper location of the stuff. So right here, so you can see the sheep brain. Okay, so we can go from here. This is the spinal cord. Okay, and when you go up, this is the medulla oblongata. Okay, and then here, this is the cerebellum. So the cerebellum, it's right here, and it's a system muscle and balance. Okay, and in here, you can see the white matter right here in the cerebellum. Okay, and then when you go up more, like to say the pons is assist in medulla oblongata. Okay, after the pons is the midbrain. So this is like the midbrain. Okay, and then after midbrain, well, it's kind of like hanging. This one right here, this is the optic cresta as you connect it. Okay, and then the thymus is, let me see, it'll be right here. The thalamus is here. Pituitary, it'll be like right here. But actually, this is the pineal gland. Okay, and then the corpus callosum is right here. Okay. So this is the mid section of the sheep brain. As you can see, it's a better anatomy of the sheep brain. So together on the sheep brain, you can see the let me see, the ridge, which is called the gyri. the gray of the brain. And then the sus is the groove, you know, depression of the brain. Okay. Thank you, Professor, for watching this video. I hope you have a great day.